Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a thumbnail on your YouTube video. Alright, it's super easy, guys. First and foremost, I already have a video into my YouTube, so I'm just gonna show you guys the video that I have. Alright, this is the video how to hide subscribers on YouTube with Android iOS. As you see, guys, the video has no thumbnail right now. Alright, so I need to go to my YouTube studio, then tap on YouTube studio. Alright, when it opens like this, guys, so this is it. I need to tap on the video and tap on the pencil icon. Alright, so after tapping on the pencil icon, guys, I also need to tap on that pencil icon. Alright, then tap on custom thumbnail. Alright, after tapping on custom thumbnail, then I select the photo that I want into my gallery. Okay, this is the photo that I want to save. Okay, so how to hide the subscribers on YouTube 2022. So this is the photo. Okay, so I just took it, extract it from my gallery. Okay, so as you know now, as you see, guys, the video I already set a thumbnail for the video. Okay, so as you see, this is it, guys. It's super simple, guys. All right, so as you see now, guys, my video already has a thumbnail. All right, so if you found this video helpful, guys, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified.